visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone, welcome po sa inyong reading. Almost personal readings. No? So I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So kung kailan nyo po ito mapanood, the message is meant to find you. So, let's see with the Three of Wands. So, meron ditong nag-aantay. Chances are, itong karelasyon natin is LDR, no? Or nasa malayong lugar. It doesn't necessarily mean nasa ibang bansa, pero pwede din naman, no? Pwedeng nandito lang siya sa kabilang isla, no? Nasa probinsya, nasa kabilang barangay, baka nami-miss nyo lang din, or stay in, kahit nasa loob kayo ng iisang city, no? Hindi nyo naman siya nakikita kasi stay in. Chances are with the Three of Wands, lagi na lang kayong nag-aabang. Nag-aabang ng message, nag-aabang ng kanyang tawag. Siguro nahihirapan din tayo mag-reach out sa kanya or hindi natin siya makokontak. For some reason, it can be dahil bawal sa trabaho, or it can be magkaiba nga itong time zone ninyo, no? With the Five of Wands, especially ngayon. Hindi natin alam kasi kung itong pag-aaway ninyo, no? Kasi nagkaroon kayo dito ng misunderstanding. So, hindi natin alam kung itong pag-aaway ninyo is merong dahilan kung bakit mahirap siyang makontak ngayon, or baka kasi nadagdagan, or baka nagkataon lang, no? For a few numbers of you, there is a physical or energetic separation. Separation here can be physical or energetic, ha? So, energetic, sabihin na natin yung energetic, eto nga, hindi kayo nakakapag-usap. This is a combination of physical and energetic. Physical, the person might be in a different city, state, county, literal na separation, no? So let's clarify the Five of Wands, the Lovers, and the Eight of Cups. So tampuhan, merong pagsiselos. So yung isa dito nagselos, yung isa naman, dahil ayokong gumulo itong sitwasyon natin, I would rather want to disconnect or go somewhere. Tsaka na ako babalik kapag mapayapa na, no? At pwede na talaga tayong mag-usap ng matino at masinsinan. Ayan. With the Five of Cups, the Three of Pentacles, and the High Priestess. So, parang meron dito nagsisisi. Bakit ko ba kasi sinabi? Bakit ba kasi ko pumutok, no, ngayong araw na ito? Bakit kasi nag-pile up yung mga naiisip ko, tapos siya yung napagbuntunan ko, hindi ko naman sinasadya, no? Or parang feeling ko immature or premature pa yung information na alam ko. Tapos sinabi ko agad sa kanya, baka kasi na-misinterpret or ako yung naka-misinterpret. Sana binigyan ko muna ng time. So, ngayon, kung sino man ito nagselos, baka kasi iniisip niya, baka ako yung nagkaroon ng issue or ako yung may problema. With the Five of Cups, clarified with the Three of Cups and the Five of Pentacles. Chances are, baka nakita natin dito, nagselos tayo dahil nakausap niya si X. So parang feeling natin, binabalikan pa niya itong kanyang person, or meron pa silang connection, no? Or baka kasi iniisip natin, they are just more than friends. okay ka naman kung friends lang, especially dun sa mga mag-asawa, no, na merong anak, na kailangan talaga nilang mag-usap one way or another dahil meron nga silang connection. Pero parang sa'yo, nagkaroon tayo ng pagsiselos dahil sa sabihin nating sitwasyon na baka kasi meron pa silang ginagawa, no, na more than friends. With the Two of Cups, the Two of Pentacles. So ngayon, napansin natin na alam naman talaga natin ngayon na mahal na natin si person. Now, with the Two of Pentacles, baka ngayon kasi iniisip natin nabubuo din yung kanyang pagmamahal. Actually, this is not kapraningan, no? Nangyayari naman talaga 'to, especially mas nauna yung sinasabi nating kabila, mas nauuna yung hindi naman natin puwedeng sabihing third party, yung nauna, yun lang puwede nating sabihin. Kasi mas una silang nagkakilala, ikaw nung pumasok ka, magkakilala na sila. Ang, kinakatakot lang natin dito is baka kasi ma-develop na naman, mabuo na naman yung kanilang, um ang kanilang relasyon with the Seven of Swords and the Nine of Cups. Um, Siguro nagkakaroon lang tayo ng anxiety, no? Um, Ayokong sabihing madumi yung utak mo. Kasi our mind is built to keep us safe. Hindi siguro nandun ka pa naman sa balanse, no? With the Seven of Swords, iniisip mo lang na ayaw mo nang mangyari or ayaw, siguro meron kang past traumas na naloko ka rin before, ayaw mo nang maulit, ang gusto mo kasi ikaw na yung piliin, wala nang iiwan, wala nang iwanan. Kasi ikaw with the Nine of Cups, kapag nagmahal ka naman, hindi ka nanloloko, no? Kapag ikaw nagmahal ka naman, talagang seryoso. So, with the Four of Wands, the Seven of Cups, and the Queen of Pentacles, eh, yun naman pala. Actually, I feel like naikikwento ka naman nitong person mo doon sa kanyang ex, no? Na especially kung meron nga silang connection, no? I think na medyo kakilala mo rin somehow itong ex, baka kaibigan mo. I feel like um, ang kinikwento niya dito is how much this your person loves you. And I think itong cooperative din naman, bihira tong ganitong dynamic, no? Itong ex naman is nagbibigay ng payo on how para maging strong ang relationship. Ayaw kong sabihin na wag kang mag-isip um, ng all is safe, no? Pero I think mapagkakatiwalaan natin to. And I think that you can be friends with this person with the Seven of Cups, the Queen of Wands, and the Death card. So, ang nakikita natin dito, pwede mo naman siyang maging kaibigan, no? Actually, pwede mo siyang tanungin kung ano ba yung nangyayari. Pwede kayong mag-usap, no? Nitong ex ng masinsinan. The Death card and the Rebirth, I feel like, kasi ang Rebirth pwedeng magkaroon ng panibago, pero I feel like tinutulak niya, no? Tinutulak din nitong ex si person na seryosohin mo na yan dahil seryoso ka naman. Nandun nga lang, may pagkaselosa tayo, no? I think it's much better kung open ang communication natin. Malaking tulong itong ex na to para magkaroon kayo ng magandang camaraderie ni person. Again, hindi ito para sa lahat. Kaya nga ang sabi ko, take what's only yours, no? Kung ganito naman ang dynamic ninyo, I feel like magkakaroon ng harmony, no? Itong magandang relasyong nabuo. So meron ka ng jowa, meron ka pang friend. And I feel like ganun din naman ito, no? Hindi lahat nangyayari to, hindi para sa lahat itong reading na ito, pero napaka-posible. Marami tayong nakikita diyan. Even the celebrities, no, have that kind of relationship. So, yep, kung meron kayong katanungan at naka-resonate kayo dito sa reading na ito, there is actually a link sa description box. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Scorpio, Leo, Pisces, Sagittarius, Cancer, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is here, Gemini is here. Did I just mention Leo? Did I just mention Virgo? Yan. So, ayan po ang inyong reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars align. I am Daphne, also known as Papaya, standing in my own design. Through the light and the dark, I found my way. In the whispers of time, I hear what they say. Guided by the stars, my journey begins anew, with purpose in